are you guys today? I'm doing fab. Not really. If you guys got my plan with me at the beginning of the week, I'm just kind of like at this point. So I rewound last week for you guys. If you didn't see it, definitely go check that out. It looks a little something like that. I was using a mini kit. So really fun. This week we're going to be using SaraElizabethPrints, her mermaid kit. I love her high quality matte paper. I love that her sheets are the same size. And due to some technical difficulties, I had to go back to my old camera. So we're using that. I hope it's not terrible. So here are the full boxes with all our beautiful marine life and mermaids, our checklist, half boxes, habit trackers, bill dues, and all that good stuff, headers and little things, bottom washi date covers, and a sidebar box, checklists, icons, all that good stuff, glitter headers and individual washi, and then deco, weekend banner, and functional deco. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Excuse me, my voice is cracking a little bit. And definitely go check out the Plan With Me design group. There's a link down below in the description box, and you can click that link. It'll take you to a blog post which will give you everybody's channel names. We don't all post on the same schedule every week, and most of us, I try, I'm not great, but most of us use the Facebook group, and you can join that even if you don't film YouTube videos, and you can just talk to the people in the Plan With Me design group, interact with us, and just have a lot of planner fun. And we have organized group collabs where we've worked with a shop owner and gotten matching sticker kits and done that as well. So it's been a while since we did that, but I think we're going to have another one coming probably. I say probably. I'm going to talk to him and see. But definitely join the Facebook group. That link will be down below as well. And yeah, so this is on SaraElizabethPrints high quality matte paper. And we're planning the week of July 30th through August 5th. Where did it go? I feel like July was just a crapshoot for me. But either way, if you guys watched last week, you know what was going on. But we are going to go back to my normal decorate, music, and quickly get things done. And I will talk to you guys again at the end. So you know what that means? Here we go. love the colors. It's been 2 colorful weeks in a row. So summery. I love it. I love it. I kept it like way more cohesive this week. I've been doing like kind of sporadic stuff. So I just thought it was really cool when things started laying out. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool to have like the cohesiveness. So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I used all my full boxes. I still have some of these. Actually, I can get rid of this by sticking this over here. This is how you guys can consolidate sticker sheets. So now I can throw away those 2. I have tons of icons, flags, appointment label, headers and littles, washi and glitter headers, boxes, and deco and stuff, because I don't know where I want to put deco at. I might use it to decorate some of the boxes and like little empty spaces throughout, but I don't want to put that in before because I have ran into problems in the past with it getting in the way. But I'm going to stick these back here. Let's see, do I have something color wise? No. I mean, the purple would work. I'm going to grab some work labels for these days, so you'll see those on the midweek post. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and check out the Plan With Me design group. All the links for Facebook and all that jazz will be down in the description below. And I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.